This foolproof method has earned me $71.75 within the last 24 hours, and I'm sharing it all with you guys in this video completely for free. Now, just to briefly explain what we're actually going to be doing before I go into the step-by-step instructions, there are companies online which run PayPal giveaways, and these people want, the people that run the giveaways, they want entries into the giveaways, and that's where me and you come in. Now, we're going to get paid for everyone that we can get to enter this giveaway. So a company runs a big PayPal giveaway, they want a lot of entries, and they're willing to pay $2.05 for everyone that you can get to enter this giveaway. So it's a win-win for everyone. The company gets another lead into their giveaway, you get paid for sending that lead, and the person that enters the giveaway has a chance to win a PayPal gift card. So it's a win-win-win, and I'm going to show you how you can make money by giving leads to these companies who run PayPal gift card giveaways. Now, if you do find value from this video at any time, I would really appreciate it if you do leave a like and comment down below if you're struggling with anything, and I'll try and reply to you guys in the comments and help you all out. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the website which lists a bunch of different giveaway offers that we can promote and we can send leads to. Now, that website is CPA Grip, and it's basically a database where companies will list their giveaways. So we're going to go ahead and log in to our account on CPA Grip. I'm going to log in. If you don't already have an account on CPA Grip, you can register, but I'm not going to run through that in this video because it is a very easy registration. I'm just going to log into my account and show you what you need to do. So once you're inside of CPA Grip, there are a couple of things that you need to do. So first, you need to go to Offer Tools here on the left, and then go ahead and open My Offers, and that will take you into the list of all of these offers you can promote. Now, right now, my country is set to Thailand because it sets it to wherever you're currently located. But what you want to do is change it to the United States. And these are going to be the offers and the giveaways that we're going to promote. We're going to be targeting the US traffic. So now we've changed it to the United States. You can see we've got different giveaway and different offers that we can promote. So right here, we've got different streaming apps that people can use. Here you've got these giveaways. So you've got this $10,000 giveaway. You've got this, and you've got that 3 times. You've got a $750 PayPal giveaway. And there's some other offers here that we can promote and so on. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be promoting, and you should be able to find it very easy, this desktop offer here, which is a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. And for us to get paid, all we need to do is get someone to enter in their email and their zip submit. So we're going to go ahead and click on this offer, and we can then see the details about this offer. We can see how much we're going to get paid, and we can grab our unique link to send leads to this offer. So I've got this offer open in a new tab, and you can see here is the landing page for this offer. Now it says here, our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped now, and you can see it's a giveaway for a $750 PayPal gift card. It runs your traffic through this question. So it says, do you have PayPal? Yes. How old are you? And how many times do you use Facebook per week? Then it's going to check the eligibility. And if the person that you send is eligible, all they have to do is enter in their first name, last name, and email. And when they do, you're going to earn, as it says here, $2.05. Now that doesn't seem like loads, but if you can do this, let's say 20 times per day, you can get 20 people to sign up, or you can get 50 people to sign up, or 100, then it starts to add up and you can do the maths here. In fact, we'll do it right now. So obviously, let's just pull up this calculator here. So let's say $2.05, and let's say we get 20 people per day to do this. Well, we can earn $41 per day just by getting 20 new people to enter this giveaway. Times that by 30 days, and you're looking at $1,230 per month extra just by getting 20 people to join this completely free, by the way, giveaway. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and copy our link. So you can choose a tracking domain, but this isn't really necessary because we're going to shorten the link anyway. So go ahead and copy this link. Then you next want to go to a website called tinyurl.com. Now on tinyurl, you can shorten this link. And instead of it being this long link here, which kind of looks a bit spammy, we're going to shorten it and make it a tiny URL. So we can paste in our long link here. We can then make that a tiny URL. And now we've shortened it to this link here. So it's tinyurl / then these characters here. So we're now going to just keep this open, but I am going to copy it to my clipboard just so it's there, but I'm also going to keep this page open. Now the next thing we need to do, and I hope you're staying along here. If you are, just leave a like and let me know in the comment section below. Now the next thing you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to a website called Linktree. Now I'm in the back end of Linktree right now, but I'll log out and show you how you can sign up real quick. So here is Linktree, and it allows you to build a free landing page, and this is going to come in useful in a second. You can see everything you are in one simple link. Now you can go ahead and sign up for free in the top right hand corner, and if we head over to pricing, you can see that this is completely free. So we're going to be using the free plan, which is free, and we can add unlimited links and customize Linktree. Everything that I'm going to show you in this video is going to be using free versions of things. So this is free. So I'm just going to close out of Linktree here. And here I am in the back end of my Linktree. Now I've called my Linktree something that's relevant to giveaways. So right here it says online cash money. That's my username. You want to go ahead and create a username which is relevant to giveaways, PayPal giveaways, money, things like that. That's going to make your page more legitimate, and it's just going to make your brand a lot more, your brand is going to be a lot more consistent. So once you're inside the back end of Linktree, you can go to appearance, and what you can do is you can also add an icon. So here, once it loads, you'll see I've got this icon here now. This is a free giveaway icon, and to get this icon, all I did is I went to Google, and I just searched for something like giveaway icon, and I went to images, and then I just simply saved one of these, and yeah, you can see that it's basically this one. I saved it to my computer, and then I uploaded it to Linktree, and you can do the exact same thing. So now going back to links, once we're on Linktree, we now need to go ahead and add our link, which is going to be our offer. So what I need you to do now is go to add link. Then you need to enter in your URL. So our URL, remember, is going to be this tiny URL. So we can copy this again if you've lost it. You can paste that in, and you can click add. That's going to add this link. And we now want to go ahead and change this title. And you can change this to something like, or let's just take this here, $750 PayPal gift card. I'm going to add this as the title. And then I'm going to put in brackets, free giveaway. And that should update on the right here. So here you can see $750 PayPal gift card, free giveaway. Now if we go to share in the top right hand corner and we copy this link, we can now go ahead and paste this link. So I'm going to go back to this page, we'll paste it in, and we can preview what this is going to look like. So here is our landing page, which works on computer and it also works on phone. So here we've got $750 PayPal gift card, and when someone was to click on that, it will go to this page here. And whenever your traffic would enter this gift card giveaway, remember you're going to get paid $2.05 for every single person. Okay, so I hope we're all following along so far. So now what we need to do is we need to get traffic to our Linktree page. So we need to get traffic to this page so they can go through our funnel and so they can go and enter the giveaway. So now there are a couple of ways that you can get traffic to this page here. So the first way is to go to a website like Shoutcart.com. Now on Shoutcart, what you can do is you can buy Instagram shoutouts from popular Instagram pages for pretty reasonable prices, to be honest. So like I've got one here open, and I just found one within 2 minutes, but you would go and filter through all of them and you can find like really good deals. And you can see here 106,000 followers in the Husky theme page. And you don't want any specific theme page, like you don't really want to do it in the Make Money Online page, because a lot of people in the Make Money Online page have already been spammed this offer so many times. You just want normal, everyday people who will be like, yeah, why not? I'll enter a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. So you can see here on this page that for a IG story 24-hour post, it's going to cost $30. And you can see they will add the link as well. So for a story post with the link, it's going to cost you $30. And they're going to ask for a link when you go through with this. And the link that you will give them is going to be your Linktree page. Then all there is left to do is just speak to these, add this to cart, give them the details, and you can then buy this shout out. And when this shout out goes live, you're going to have loads and loads of traffic going to your Linktree profile. Then they're going to go to the giveaway page. And when some of that traffic, and not all of it, but when some of that traffic enters the giveaway, you're then going to earn $2.05 for every person that does. Now let's do some quick maths here. These have got 106,000 followers. So let's say that they've got 106,000 followers and they get 5,000 story views every time. But let's say out of those 5,000, only 500 are going to go ahead and click on the link. So that's 10%. Let's even give it a 5%. So let's say 250 people are going to click on your link after you buy a story post. So let's say 250 people. Let's say out of the 250 people that click, only 10% of those actually go ahead and enter the giveaway. So that's 25. So you've got 25 people times by $2.05 each. That's going to make you $51 minus the $30 you paid for the story shout out. That is going to earn you from this post, just doing these really baseline numbers, which are really brought down. It'll probably be much higher than this. And you're going to earn from this $21.25 just for buying a $30 story and getting this all set up within 10 minutes. Now think about how you can replicate this and do this over and over again with different accounts at different prices, and how you can really mass produce and mass send out traffic to your offers here. And every time you're going to earn $2.05, $2.05, and so on. If that helps you out, please do leave a like and let me know if you've got any comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you've got any feedback. And I'll see you in the next one.